What's up guys, how you all doing? Adam here and I am back for another video. Now, recently I did a video, can't even speak. It's early guys, it's early. I did a video just talking about the fact that I wanted to make content about things that I was passionate about again, things that I just personally liked, rather than trying to make videos about things that I knew would be popular, even though they're not necessarily something that I particularly love. So that's the route we're going down. I will be doing plenty of content on phones and tablets and all that kind of stuff, but it's just going to be the ones that I really like personally, and I'm going to talk about the things that I'm interested in. So, on that premise, or promise, depending on what way you look at it, I'm bringing you an unboxing first look today of something that I've never ever done on this channel before. But for those of you that follow me on Instagram, A, you will have seen these already, and B, you'll know how fanatical I am about trainers. Or obviously a lot of people call them sneakers throughout the world, but if I try and even say that, it will just come out wrong. So please, if you do use the word sneakers, just accept that I'm going to use trainers in this video. It's not going to hurt anybody. Let's just crack on and use that, because it's just what I'm used to. Now, I've got some trainers here. I guess they do kind of fit on this trainers. Oh my god, I'm getting confused already. On this channel, because they're not just normal trainers, they're smart trainers, I guess that's what you would call them. That seems to be the word for pretty much everything with a microchip in it these days. So these are the Nike Adapt Auto Max, I believe that's what they're called, trainers. Now, the packaging for these is incredible. It's about 4 times the size of a normal trainer box, and the quality of the packaging is really nice. Now, I'm still one of these people that really enjoys quality packaging, and this little guy here is throughout the packaging on this, so maybe someone in the comments could just let me know what that is, because I've no idea. Now, although I'm into trainers a lot, I'm not a fanatic. I don't know all of the models, the variations, the dates that they came out and stuff like that. I just like them. So again, nice packaging. They've got like a little like silky kind of not clip, but like a lifty bit here, whatever you'd call it. And it opens up cantilever style, and then you're presented really nicely with the trainers themselves. Really, really nice packaging. I always think that when companies put effort into packaging, it just makes the whole unpackaging experience that much nicer. So props to Nike. I mean, to be honest with you, these are probably double the price of normal trainers, if you like, normal Nike Air trainers. Maybe not quite in some cases, but they're definitely more expensive. So you should get a more premium packaging, but still, they didn't have to do it. It's nice that they have. So first of all, before we have a look at the trainers, let's just have a look at something else we've got in here. Now again, it's got this little guy on it here. Let's open this up. Auto Max there on the side. And I presume this is going to be like the charger and stuff. Again, really nice presentation. This huge instruction leaflet. My god, look at this thing. Let's get rid of that. Now, you've got this card again with this little guy on it, and it says NSW Auto Mascot Auto Max Trainers. I've no idea what that is. Oh my god, and again, let's try and get this out. We've got like a little plastic action figure of the same little guy. I've no idea what the relevance is. And then in here, I presume that's just the charger. Let's not look at that, because that's going to be pretty dull. Let's have a look at the trainers themselves. Now, I know these are not to everybody's taste, but obviously everyone's entitled to their own opinion, but let's not get into a whole hate thing in the comments. But these are actually my taste. And the funny thing is that when I saw these trainers, I saw them on Soul Supply, which is a great Instagram account for people interested in trainers. I just liked them. I didn't actually know they had the electronics in them, so that was kind of an unexpected difference. I'm not necessarily bonus, because they obviously cost a lot more money, and I didn't necessarily want it, but still, it's very cool. Now, you've got this like bright orange down here, you've got the normal Nike Air bubble, but this grey colour is quite literally my favourite colour. Grey is my favourite colour. And on the back, I really like, again, the use of this kind of font that they've done this in, and I just like the overall style. when you see them in pictures, and maybe it'll come out this way on the video as well, they look kind of bulky and hefty, but in person and when you put them on, especially, they really don't. Not that I've put them on yet, but just to hold them, they really don't. Now, they've got this kind of splattering of like a light grey around the white area of the sole as well. Inside, they're no different at all, but the big difference obviously with these is that you've got these buttons on the side. And when you press them, not only do they light up, but you can also hear the motors for where they're loosening and tightening the laces, which is absolutely Back to the Future 2 incredible. So let's put this box down. In fact, no, we'll leave it like this. Let's open up the app. Now, I've already paired these. I've paired my trainers. That's such a bizarre thing to say. But let's just see how it works. I've not really delved around this app too much. So, first of all, this is the application. Now, I presume the L and the R is the left and the right. So, if we drag the L up, it's actually the one in the box, and down, you can hear it tightening and loosening the laces. That'll be this one. You can hear it's a lot louder because it's out of the box. Quite loud, and I don't know if you can see, but the tongue moved, look. That is absolutely insane. Now, there's also this button here where you can set different preset modes to how tight you want your laces. So there's one that you can obviously set up for like running, for example. Maybe you'd want them quite tight, and then they've got a chill mode as well where you'd maybe want them a bit looser. In addition to that, if I put them there, you guys can see. I'll just tilt it back a little bit actually. The colour you can change here changes the lights to match on the bottom of the shoe, which is very cool. Very cool. So that's kind of the app. What you can also do is see the level of the batteries. These actually need charging, and then it still seems weird to say that you've got to charge your trainers. I suppose the cool thing about trainers is though that even if they run out, they're still going to work, I guess. But I wonder if the laces loosen off or if they just stay the same. I'm not sure. So yeah, very, very cool indeed. See if there's anything else in here. Not really. Auto lace firmware version for trainers. That's insane. So anyway, that is the app. I'm actually super excited to try these out and see. In fact, now I'm thinking about it, how do they charge? There's no sockets on them. I bet. Sorry guys, I should have got that out. I completely didn't even see it. This is the charging mat. So you put your trainers on the top, plug this in, and they charge wirelessly. So that is very, very cool. I'm not sure if this has got a built-in battery, so you don't have to have it plugged in all the time. I'm not sure, but it's very heavy, like really heavy. So I'm wondering if it does. That would be a cool feature, a bit like the AirPods, where you have the little case that charges them on the go, and then maybe you wouldn't need to carry around the charger if you were going on holiday or something like that. But anyway, that was a bit of a different video from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Apologies to everyone who wants me to be doing specific kinds of videos, but from now on I'm just going to do videos on stuff that I like. Thank you so much for being so loyal. I genuinely appreciate it. If you want to see me do my car video in the next week, hit up that like button, and if I get over 500 likes, I will do my car video in the next week and show you guys my car and some of the electronics and some of the cool stuff around it. I've got loads of other cool videos coming up. I've got a bunch of stuff that you guys really, really want to see coming up, and I've also got some stuff with some phones and tablets as well. So there will be lots of that, but this one was a little bit different. I hope you guys are all doing safe. Being safe and are well. Please have a lovely weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.